Hi, I'm Wes Bridges, the classic technician at Porsche, Ontario, here with an update and progress report on our 1993 RS America project for the Restoration Challenge 2022. As you last saw, we tore the car down to a bare shell, and before we send it to the body shop, we cleaned the road grime from underneath with dry ice blasting. We've sent some of the engine components out for machining. We've also sent gauges out for refurbishing, aluminum components for vapor honing, and upholstery trim items to be restitched. All the remaining parts we've sorted out, determined whether we're going to repair, refinish, or replace them. Some of the components will be powder coating. Powder coating is an extremely durable finish, stronger than paint, that we'll be using on items like fender supports, bumper braces, items like that to really preserve them. For other items, we'll be using a process called Cerakote, which is also a very high durable paint, but is also extremely heat resistant. We'll be using that on exhaust components, engine components, and other high heat areas. So back in the air-cooled era, Porsche generally used gold cadmium plating to preserve the hardware, nuts, bolts, washers, clips, clamps, all that stuff. Over time, however, the coating wears off, exposing the bolt. So we're having all this bolts, fasteners, clamps, brackets and stuff re-gold cadmium plated to preserve this car long into the future. So it goes without saying, it's been a lot of work up until this point. We're really excited to get all this stuff back, and along with all the new Porsche Classic restoration parts, to put this car back together to be one of the best RS Americas ever. I hope you'll continue to follow our journey on social media, Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. My name is Wes Bridges at Porsche, Ontario.